Hi, I'm Caressa Crandall, an independent sales consultant with Norwex, and today I want to introduce you to one of Norwex's signature microfiber cloths, the Enviro Cloth. Now, the Enviro Cloth, when used correctly, can remove up to 99% of bacteria on the surfaces of your home using just water, which is pretty impressive, and so most people want to know how well it stacks up to the commercial cleaners that they're currently using in their homes. So today, we're going to see how well the Norwex Enviro Cloth can remove chicken juices off of the surface of this counter using just water as compared to a leading name brand antibacterial wipe and a leading name brand green cleaner. So first, we're going to rub raw chicken on this countertop. And since we won't be able to see the juices of the chicken or the germs it leaves behind, I have this special powder that glows under a black light, and then it's the size and the shape of germs. So it mimics the activity of germs on a surface. So to the extent that we're able to remove this powder from the countertop will show how well we're able to remove the chicken juices with each cleaner. So let's rub this in. And once we shine it under a black light, we'll be able to see everything on the counter. Okay. So, see that? Okay, let's see how each cleaner does. Ready? First, the leading antibacterial wipe. Next, the green cleaner. And finally, the Norwex Enviro Cloth using just water. Okay. So, let's see. First, the antibacterial wipe. Next, the green cleaner. And finally, the Norwex Enviro Cloth using just water. And you can see how much considerably more of the powder the Norwex Enviro Cloth was able to remove versus the antibacterial wipes or the green cleaner. In fact, let's just go ahead and finish the job with our Enviro Cloth. So there you have it, the Norwex Enviro Cloth versus raw chicken.